Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have a stable internet connection but you cannot browse Google Play Store or Google Chrome on your TCL Tab 10L. So first let's try Google Chrome. Here we can go for any website. And there's an error. Next is a Google Play Store, and also we can try downloading anything right here, but the download will be stuck in a pending mode and it won't change. So there's about 20 seconds and nothing's changing. So let's cancel that and let's fix this. We'll need to open our settings. Here scroll all the way down and find the system. In the system go for date and time and use network provided time. Now if we go back to our Google Chrome, the pages should load without any problem. And the same goes for Google Play Store. We can install this game. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.